Y'all ain't ready for this.
Let's go.
Yeah. Listen. Check it. Let these bars give you an introduction. Tracy's sweet touch production. When she touch it, hey, baby, you gonna love it. And I'ma spit this verse and give you a summary of it. Jewelry so sparkling, she touched it. Craft so dope, she touched it. Case, Casey, cause she touched it. Abracadabra rest, oof, Estella fabulous. Make no mistake, craft arts and cakes. She creates and creates and shifts from the great lakes stay. Set a spark, contact her today. Passionately intrigued, our love is on this way for sure. Hey, I know what it is.
Passionately intrigued,
That's right.
just a sweet touch, production.
Estella fabulous. Hey, let's go. Ooh. Yeah.
All right now.
Estella fabulous. Let's get it.
Let's
Let's go. Hey, hey, come on. Yeah, y'all ready? Yeah.
Whoa,
Hey,
whoa.
she dope. Yeah. Ooh, sweet touch. Yeah.
Passionately intrigued, Tracy sweet touch production. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Y'all wasn't ready for this. Hey.
Da 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 da
Passionately
da.
intrigued arts. Yeah.
As always, I welcome you into my home with open arms. To all my many new subscribers, I thank you. And to the OGs, you know, we rock and I thank you. From the core of my heart, keep pushing, because I'm going to. All day, every day. Hello, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. This is Tracy. I wanted to show you the completion of the wall art that I started last week. The one with the black 8x10 canvas and the fettuccine yarn that I braided and glued to the canvas. I've completed the piece and wanted to show you what I did. I have linked that particular video in the description just in case you didn't get a chance to view it. At your leisure, when you get time, go back and catch up so that you can put the whole picture together as to what I have created here. Well, here she is, and I'm not quite sure what to name her. I believe I will put a poll up in my community so you all can help me vote on her name. I have several in mind, I just can't decide which one I'd like to use. So after gluing on all these coils, these braids from the fettuccine yarn, I kind of put her hair in a hairstyle. I pulled it up. I did many things to try to figure out how I wanted her hair. I had it up in a bun, just different ways. So what I decided to do was take two of her braids and put them together to put like a ponytail on the side, kind of, sort of, just to gather her hair to the side to show her face and let the one piece hang down. I created a barrette, a wraparound with these dark mustard colored seeds, beads, not seeds. And then I took aluminum wire and wrapped it around and made coils on each end. I also used the same gold wire to make these braid rings, braid cuffs, I'm not sure what they're called, with the coils, and placed them in various spots on her hair. Also, I took that wire with the same type of beads from her hair and a couple brass rings and made a hoop earring. And I put a small headpiece up here at the top. I took all the rubber bands off because they were kind of irritating me and working my nerves. I took those off and just took the yarn and wrapped it around and glued it to the back of each of her braids. That took a little bit of time. And then I trimmed the ends. I trimmed the ends of her hair, y'all. Anyway, I trimmed them and kind of put them in a point coming down. Kind of, sort of. Tell me what you think. Oh, I also took some gold permanent vinyl and cut it a ½ inch, quarter inch, I forget what it was, so many centimeters, and placed it around the edge of the canvas. Now the vinyl, you know, it has adhesive on it, but it doesn't stick very well to canvas, so I also put two-sided tape on here to make sure that these pieces stayed. Am I forgetting anything? On the back, and this hair is heavy, so this picture is heavy. I didn't weigh it, I'm just saying it's heavy. So what I did to reinforce the canvas is I took an old piece. This is my very first dirty pour on a canvas panel, and I thought it was so doggone ugly. I never showed it or anything, but I kept it, and it was an 8 by 10 as well, so I trimmed it around the edges, took off this quarter inch all the way around and stuck it to the back of this and glued it so that there was support on the back, and then that finishes off the back. Let me put her up close so you can see what I did. I think she's beautiful. She just needs a name, and then I will do the hardware, the hanging hardware. That's the only thing that I have to do to finish this off. She is available, but she needs a name. So you guys are going to help me. I certainly hope. I'm going to put a poll in the community, as I stated earlier, and then of course I signed it. I signed it on the back, and I don't know if you can see it. I did it in gold. I didn't want it to be too distinctive, and then I dated it. I completed her on September 13th. I used my Cricut Explorer 2 to cut out the silhouette of her face in white iron-on vinyl, then using my Cricut mini press to adhere to the canvas. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Give me a thumbs up. Give me your thoughts. Throw some names out there if you care to. Although I do have 3 that I kind of like. I also used polyacrylic to coat the back of the canvas. Have a blessed day, and we'll see you out and about. Take care. Peace out. I love you.
This is a work of art.